Hello friends, welcome back, and in this video I will tell you how you can install JRE. So before going forward, in the earlier session I have explained how you can install Java on your machine. If you haven't installed Java, I will first recommend you to take a look of that session and to install Java first. Okay, so let's continue. So before installing JRE, we will have to download this, and for that you will have to go to official website of Oracle. Let's go google.com, download JRE, and as you can see this is the Oracle website. Just click on it, and I wanted to install JRE on my Windows machine, so I will be required this exe file, as my laptop is 64-bit, and you just need to check this pop-up I reviewed an Oracle and just click on download button. So as you can see, Oracle is asking to log in first. No issue, you can create directly while clicking on create an account, and you can give your details like email ID and password. It's a free of cost account, and the JRE will start downloading. I have already done that, so I will not going to repeat those steps again. Let me take you directly to the downloaded JRE, and as you can see, here is my JRE. To install JRE, you just need to double click on it, and you can see it will start. Okay, so it has asked me some user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Just click on yes. The software has started installing on your system. It's processing. Okay, so as you can see, it has opened and it is giving me some messages and giving me one button to install this. Welcome to Java update license. Just go through of it and click on install. See, the installation has started. But guys, one thing just remember, if you are using some older version of Java, you will not be required to install JRE externally. In the JDK itself, they used to provide the JRE. But if you are using Java version 13 or 14, might be you will not see JRE over there. So in that case, you will have to install it externally. And as I'm using Java 13 and 14 also, so I'm installing it externally. Okay, let's just wait to completely install this software. Okay, so what it is saying, Java content is disabled in web browsers. To enable Java content in the browsers, on the security tab of the Java control panel, we will click on next. You have successfully installed Java. You need to close this, and then let's go and check where we have installed Java. So to check that, you will have to go in your C drive and go to program files, then search for Java. As you can see, I have installed this version just right now, JRE 1.8.0 underscore 251. Okay, so what I want you to do, just click on it, just copy this, and let's move to our system. Right click on your system, go to properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, and I want you to use this button new and create one variable like this, Java home, and copy your JRE path here. So you need to click on OK. As you can see, I have already done that, so I will cancel this, and after that you need to edit your path variable and just give percentage sign java underscore home percentage slash bin. So after that, your JRE path will be set in your path system variables, and to check that, you just need to open your cmd and write java dash version. Okay, so as you can see, this was the version which we have just installed and set the path for 1.8.0 underscore 251. So guys, we have installed JRE successfully, and let's go to our PPT. Okay, so in the next session I will explain you Hello Java program. So guys, that was all for this video. Thank you so much for joining us. If you are having any queries related to installations of JRE, do let me know while writing in the comment sections. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.